Good morning, and thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. I am on my last day of quarantine from that horrible COVID virus. Unfortunately, my sisters and I got it while we're taking care of our mom, but that's another story. So this is called faux paper. There are so many videos. Being in quarantine, I think that I wore out my YouTube channels, but still love all the creative people out there. So I wanted to share with you how I made these. And this is specialty paper. And if you watch some of my videos, I'm all about the deal. So I got 250 sheets for $7, and believe me, I've made a lot of crafts with this. So you can see here just how nice this paper is. It's very heavy bound, just quality paper. And what I did was I just stained it with coffee and tea, and then it gave this really neat background. I also sprayed it with some water mix with some glycerin and water, just so the pages are just soft and very flexible, so you can use different things. The other thing that I did was I used Mod Podge, and I did get some Get Well flowers, so I crushed them up, and then I did Mod Podge, and then I put them on top. Not an easy task, but I do like a little bit of the flowers that stayed on. And on the other side, what I did was I got the leaves from the flowers I received. I painted them, and I just stamped them all over. So great way to reuse stuff and not having to spend a lot of money when you're doing creative stuff or creating, because we know how expensive it can get. The other thing that I did was I ironed them. So what I do is I get my parchment paper, I put it in between, and then I iron them because I really like it to be flat and then again easier to work with. So not only are they soft from the glycerin water mix, but I ironed them and made them straight. So really cool. So I'll just kind of share a few of these. What I'm going to do with this is I'm making a faux leather junk journal. So I just wanted to share some of the material that I used. And then you might see this in another project. Oh, the other thing I did was, because it was rough on the top, I just got a really fine sandpaper and I just sanded it so it would be smooth. I thought about maybe doing more Mod Podge, but no, I thought this was good. See how pretty those leaf stamps are? All about recycle. So I'm just going to go through these relatively quickly just because I want to show you how cool they are. Oh, and you'll also know like some paint splatter. So I love these brushes. I get these brushes, they're Walmart, really inexpensive, and I just dipped them in paint and then just, put different, spots throughout. So you can see some gold, some yellow, some green, some purple. Just love the way those leaves came out. Just very simple, easy to do. I hope that you have the time to, just create your pages. And I know when the journal is complete, it'll just be amazingly beautiful. Oh, I also use tea bags. So you can see here's the mesh from the tea bag. And then I also added this little Limpton stamp on there, just quite because I want to be creative. And then here's another one. It's called Good Earth Tea. You can see the little tag there with the string. I just really like the way they came out. And like I said, the material is going to be really neat to work on. So I think there's just a few more pages. I'll just go through these relatively quickly. And I mentioned COVID. COVID is real. You don't know how bad it is until you have it. Fortunately, my sisters and I survived. And I'm just asking you guys to continue to be careful out there. So thanks again for stopping by. Please like and subscribe and visit my Etsy channel. Have a great day.